Goblin is it, who's running second, then the York 105, which is Gav Buzz in that third spot. So there we have 41 doing the Van O'Brien. Up and gone with this. Dropping back a little bit is the 105, Gav Buzz. And then we've got 184 is in there, Lee Dexter running into this position. So it's 41, 160, 105, 184 and 183. That's the two just going through. Two to identify yet, almost three. Something 363, I think it is, Barry Wasley. But 41 all the way with this 160. The rev limited up this straight. 50, yeah, back in a little bit there. That's the engine, but yeah, close to sitting the ground. That's in the 184. Lee Dexter moving up the field, but here's our leader, 41, taking the win. That's it, start with 41. Yorkshire Dales run 60 in second place. York 105 is in third position. Woohoo! Nottingham 483, 184, and 363. And then we have Nottingham treble 3, Sean James.